Hello everyone and welcome back to the NTech channel. The emergence of the AbramsX and the many innovations being weaved into the platform are redefining the role of the Abrams tank and heavy armor in U.S. combat operations. In recent years, General Dynamics Land Systems has been working with the U.S. Army to develop and deliver several new, high-tech variants of the Abrams tank, such as the 3D and V4 M1, two SEP tanks. These new tanks incorporate several breakthrough technologies that are highly relevant to 21st century armored warfare. The next-generation Abrams main battle tank will be equipped with a hybrid conventional electric propulsion system, enabling 50% less fuel consumption and silent mobility, General Dynamics Land Systems said last month. The vehicle manufacturer unveiled the AbramsX technology demonstrator at last month's show with another vehicle concept. Lighter version. The AbramsX is lighter than the in-service M1A2 system enhanced package version 3 tank, SEP-free, ensuring better mobility and transportability. At 73.6 tons, the latest Abrams is 10 tons heavier than the original, limiting its transportability to certain ships and aircraft. The M1A2's weight was one reason for acquiring new maneuver support vessels, light landing craft, according to the Warzone. The tank's weight and size also raised doubts over its ability to cross many bridges in Europe, the outlet observed. Bridge between SEP-4 and future tank. An improved version of the SEP-free, the SEP-4 is under development and was initially scheduled for induction by 2025. General Dynamics Land Systems stated in a press release that the AbramsX can be a key node in lethal battlefield networks and serve as a bridge from Abrams SEP-3 and SEP-4 to a future tank. Additional features. AbramsX features include reduced crew size and AI-enabled lethality, survivability, mobility, manned/unmanned teaming, and autonomous capabilities. It has the same range as the M1A2. The U.S. Army has long used a 4-man tank crew of commander, gunner, loader, and driver. The new tank is likely to include an autoloader for reduced crew size. According to the Warzone, the vehicle seems to feature a range of new weapons and sensors, including a 30mm cannon-armed Kongsberg Protector RS-6 remote weapon station on top of the turret, what may be an advanced 120mm main gun, a version of the Trophy Active Protection System, and new electro-optical/infrared sensor turrets for the commander and gunner. The AbramsX, Striker X, Striker Leonidas, and TRX Breacher will be unveiled at the U.S. Army Association's meeting and show last year.